quite a lot of rust and a lot of dents and scratches and stuff like that. So we are going to try repair the body, repair some rust, and then repaint it. This is going to be my first ever attempt on doing something like this, so stick around and see what happens. You guys can see I have already started repairing some of the stuff. I have started sanding the rust away before I decided I want to film this. I've done these two parts. Let's get to work. Sticky P80. The goal here is not to be perfect, it's just to be better and not to be visible. So now I'm going to go over it with some Bondo and try to make it good. My friend wants me to paint and to repair this car, so big mistake, buddy, big mistake. We are now continuing. It's another day actually. I haven't filmed what I did lately. Something that I haven't talked about is that I got busted by the cops and I lost my driver's license. I rode a motorcycle which was not insured and my luck is like this. So now you're going to see a lot more videos from the garage because I'm not able to drive until almost the beginning of the winter. And I got actually like the maximum fine was like somewhere between 25 to 150 euros and 1 to 6 months without driver's license, and I got maximum of both, so sucks. It is what it is and we're going to continue. This camera is fucking heavy. While I'm waiting for this Bondo to harden, I will be doing some of the fenders. I'll be scuffing them with 320. I did the mesh thing and then the aluminium Bondo on top, but this one I think I put a little too little hardener, so it hardens quite long. I hope it's not a problem. And now I'm about to start scuffing this fender because it has a lot of scratches. This one right here, I don't know if you can see it, right here. I'll be scuffing it with 320, the whole fender, and then we'll see what happens. I've sanded it down with 320 right now, and there's still a couple of spots where I need to go again, like this one over here and a couple more, and yeah, let's see how it will turn out. Alright, so I scuffed the complete fender right now. There are no scratches anymore left. The next thing would be to do the hood and we'll call it a day. It was a good day. I got quite a lot done. This is the first episode of probably many to come with the E46. Just very short. This hood had like 5 layers of paint and filler and paint and filler. And also very important, guys, if you have any tips for me, that would be very, very helpful, because as you can see, I'm pretty much a beginner, and this is going to be my first ever project like this, so some help would be greatly appreciated. Yeah, support me in the links down below, and see you guys next time.